Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Take W3 Wave, it is a platform where you can learn step by step all about the Salesforce application and development. In this tutorial, you will be learn our framework, LWC, Apex Class Trigger, Visual Force, and many more. So now let's get started. In this lesson, we will be learn about how to navigate charter page in LWC component. So first, I will create a LWC component name as a navigation page LWC. So this component I created in the previous lesson. So in this lesson, we will be use same LWC component. Then we will be create a button. On button click, it will navigate to charter page in Salesforce. Here we will be using navigation mixing service library to navigate charter page in LWC. So friends, in this lesson, we will be learn about after click the button, it will be automatically navigate to the charter page. So friends, now let's jump to my VS Code where we will be see live demo example after click the button how to navigate charter page in the LWC component. So now let's get started. So friends, this is my VS Code. In the previous lesson, we have learned how to navigate account record page, how to navigate recent list view, and how to navigate home page. In this lesson, we will be learn about how to navigate charter page. So I will use same LWC component. So now let's comment on the section. This section for the navigation to the create record and list view. List view. And this section used for navigate to home page. So now let's commenting the section so that in the future it will be very easy to understand. And now this section I will be use how to navigate to the charter page. To charter page. So I will create a same. I will copy from the lightning card from here and paste below the charter here. And I will rename the title name. So navigate to charter page. First I rename the title of the lightning card. Then this is a first TT, this is a second TT. So in the first TT I using the title section. So navigate to the charter page. And this is a button. So in the button I using the variant brand label navigate to charter. And I'm passing the on click function. So function name will be changed action to navigate charter. So I'm passing the function action to navigate charter. Now save the component. Copy the function name. Go to the JavaScript. In the previous lesson, we have learned about action to list view account and action to navigation home page. Below the navigation home page, here I will be create another one function for the charter. So here I will commenting this function I am creating for the charter. Navigation to charter. So here I am commenting this function for apply to navigate to the charter. So now let's create a function first. If you're creating a function for the navigation, first you need to import the navigation mixing. This is a mandatory. Then apply navigation mixing here. Then now I have copied the reference code from here. This function I created for the navigate to home. So now I am copying the reference code from here. Go to the action navigate to charter and paste here. So property of the reference value are same. So first I apply this in the square bracket navigation mixing dot navigate. These are the common. Then type are the common name page because I am navigate to the page not a object. So here I use named page. Then attribute apply. Then page name. Instead of the home I will be change charter. Then save the JavaScript file. So only one changes. I created a new function action to navigation chatter. In this function, I am applying same code that is applying on the home reference page because home and chatter both are the page. So in that time, I am using a standard out named page that is also applying in the home page. Only one changes page name colon. Instead of the home, I am changing chatter. Then save the file and so now first save both of the component HTML and JavaScript. So now I am deploying to page to the Salesforce. Page has been deployed successfully. Now let's go to the browser and refresh the page. So in this lesson, we are learning navigate to the chatter page. So this section I created right now. This is a title, navigation to chatter. This is a button. So whenever I click on this button, it will be automatically navigate to the chatter page. So now let's click here. You can see this page automatically render to the chatter page because in the JavaScript I am using chatter. So here I am giving the reference of the chatter. In the home page I am giving the reference of the home. So reference code are same. Only difference are I am using chatter and create a new function of the button. So when I click on the button, it is automatically rendered to the chatter page. Click here, it will be automatically navigated to the chatter page. So friends, try to do from your side in your personal org. If you getting any kind of issue, please write in comment box. To get more related video of the Salesforce, go to the YouTube, search TechW3 Web, then click here, go to the videos, and here you will be get so many live demo example of video. Here I created real-time scenario based on working on the office. So here you will be get Salesforce Lightning Aura component, Visual Force page, Salesforce LWC, Lightning Flow Builder, and here so many video you will be get that is working in office in live project. If you subscribe my channel, your project working will be very easy. So friends, like, share and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much.